What's up everybody, how you doing today? MJ coming at you with the new unboxing from this gift box. It's not a gift box, it's an actual product, but it looks like a gift box. It's really looking nice. Actually, it wrote here the best gift. A very nice one. So this company, Naenka, which is actually makes earbuds, and the earbuds here called Naenka Light Pro. So we're gonna check this out. We're gonna show you what spec there is. It's very unique. Let me just say this in the beginning. It supports AAC APTX, and this is a very high quality sound output that these small earbuds does support them. Now just take a look at the box, how it looks like. It's really beautiful. Look at this. Check this out. Update your sound experience. Now the unboxing. Look at when I saw this angle over here, I thought this is gonna be open right away, but no. You actually pull it out like this. Then you get greeted by this box, and this is what you have here. Now here is, as you can see, very nice looking box and has some information. And as you can see, it's 4 grams in weight, dual host flash connection, 13mm aperture driver, which is nice. ENC noise cancelling too, and this is the support of AAC APTX support, and this is the as you can see, support Bluetooth 4.2. So let's start opening the box, and also I'm gonna test this on my ears, and I'm gonna give you a first look and how this actually looks like. So this is the first unboxing, and it's actually amazing. Look at this. You get greeted with the gift box. It's actually gift. I might actually recycle this for a gift box. Maybe put some flowers, because this is very unique. Now here is the earbuds and how to take this out. Let me just see. Maybe we should just take it out, just like this. Oops. Oh, okay. So it's here. Anyways, let's just put it aside, and let's see what we have here. So number one, we have, this is the cables. Okay, and the cable is a Type-C, which is a nice addition. As you can see, a Type-C charging, so you need to worry about charging it somewhere else. And that's about what we have here so far. So this is what you get. Let me just take out the other papers as well. Yeah, that's the booklet, by the way. And here, as you can see, the user manual. And what you can have here, let me just show you. Oh, there is some buttons on the right here on the left. Very interesting. Now this is in Chinese. I'm trying to understand what is written here. It's in English. Oh, there you go. There's an English. Okay, that's a good thing. So let me just go through this real quick. Okay, so first off, we have a 400 milliamp hour battery, so which is nice when it comes to this compact small package. And we have 40 milliamp for each earbud, which is really nice. And also it's powered by the Qualcomm. This is really nice, good chipset. So we have playtime of 5 to 6 hours per charge, and you have 20 hours plus charging case power. So this is really good good numbers. And we have 1 hour and 20 minutes for charging the earbuds, 1 hour and 30 minutes for charging the case. Pretty much a nice quick charge here. The weight, as you can see, 3.6 for the earbuds, is less than 5. And by the way, look at this. This is the Bluetooth version 5.2. 5.2, baby. So yeah. Now what's left here is for us to check the product. So let's put these boxes inside this area, and I'm about to show you this product from a close range. It looks really beautiful, as you can see. Very delicate design. It has this hinge over here, and on the back you get your Type-C charging. And you have a LED light here for the charging. And if we open it, okay, so first off, let's check out the lid. It's magnetic. Okay, so it's very nice. Let's take out the earbuds. And here what you can see this. Oh, this is nice, man. I might actually rock this every day if it actually sounds really good, which is very, very interesting to know. So here, as you can see, here's the right and left. Well, we have here these two nice looking earbuds, and they are looking really, really nice, by the way. Look at the design. And these are the two clickable buds, or the clickables. Are they clickable or touch? Oh, it's touch. Anyways, what? Okay, so I touched it and it started to through the Bluetooth. Oh, so you just touch it and you get to connect to the Bluetooth. That's nice. Um, Anyways, I'm gonna test things out, guys. I'm gonna test it out first and connect it and see how it sounds like. So stay tuned. So I just wore these two earbuds, and the good thing is that when you just as you put it in your ears, you'll hear sound that it's in your ears between these two. And the good thing as well is that these are not clickable, these are touch senses. So what I did, you double touch these and you can stop the music, and double touch it again and you can start the music. Now this is the right one, is the volume up slider. So if you just doing like this, it's gonna go up in volume. On the left side, if you go this, if you go down and go up, it's gonna lower the volume. So this is the high, increase the volume, and this one gonna lower the volume. So that's really nice. Also double touch to stop and skip. This is really nice, and you can see right and left on the right side, on the left side. So I would give this really, really a good score from wearing them. The comfiness is very comfortable, by the way. You just put it in your ears, it's gonna stick there. I didn't do it. I actually didn't perform any type of sports. I just wore them. I'm gonna do it in the final review. I'm gonna rock this for a few days. I'm gonna do some gymnastics. I'm gonna play some, running and maybe some other stuff. I'm gonna see how it actually performs. So before I just close this video off, I want to show you how it looks like on your phone, because if you want to check out what's going on with your phone, you need to go to the developer options. And if you don't know how to do unlock the developer options, you can check out YouTube how to unlock developer options on the Android. So once you go there, what I did, I want to check what type of codecs that is sent to this earbuds, and it was, as you can see, the APTX audio, which is high quality version of audio. And these two are really, really great when it comes to the bass. I've tested many music. I just tried, I tried bass music. So I tried podcasting. The sound output here is very rich, and I'm very, very surprised by how good these two earbuds. Now, compared to what we have the flagships on the market and the prices, this guy is really, really great. So this is just a first impression. I want to try it. I want to see how long the battery gonna last. I want to see how actually gonna fit. Is it going to fall on my ears or not? So I'm gonna do these type of tests, and let's just see how it actually charges. Where is it? Is it the left side? Yeah, this is the left side. So if you put it like this, it's going to, maybe it's not charging. Maybe it's out of battery. So we need to charge the the actual brick over here. So yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. We'll see you in another video. Take care and see you later.